How to reactivate a deactivated Instagram account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a deactivated Instagram account. If your Instagram account is disabled, you will see a message telling you when you try to log in. Accounts that don't follow our community standards may be disabled. If you think your account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to ask us to review the decision by opening the app. After that, enter your username and password and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't see a disabled message, you may be experiencing a login issue. If your account was deleted by you or someone with your password, there's no way to restore it. You can create a new account with the same email address you used before, but you may not be able to get the same username. If someone gained access to your account or you're unable to log in to your account, visit this page on your desktop or mobile browser to secure your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.